Alright, here I am again. Down at the county road, 206 crossing in southern St. Augustine. Waiting on the afternoon intermodal cutoff train. Stay tuned. I don't know what's gonna get here first. The rain or the train? Stay tuned. There we go. Track speed, 60 miles per hour. Get ready. Yeah, there's a Crowley. Yeah, there we go. Two more. Finally right. Yeah, look at all that. 4 flatbeds full of lumber. Nice. Some more. And there you go. Not a humongous train today, but a good sized train nonetheless. Alright, here I am at Greenland Road. That green signal over my shoulder is for a northbound train going into the Jacksonville and Florida yard. I'm going to wait on it a few minutes. Stay tuned. Okay, here comes this northbound I was on before. I'm at a different location. I'm down at Bayard, a little bit south of where I was before, but here it comes. The gates should go any minute now. This is a night train. Florida East Coast Railway, Jacksonville, Florida. Here we go to the gates. I'm gonna pan over here. Well, it doesn't seem to be moving very fast. Bugs over here. Alright, here we come. I don't know what this is. I don't know what northbound it is. It's going to be a surprise. It's a manifest train. Check out those loaded rock cars, or probably limestone, coming out of Florida. hoppers there, but it's mostly rock cars. Again, probably limestone coming out of Florida. There's a couple of guns and yeah, here comes Manifest. And there you go. All right, here I am again at that same spot I was the other night. Greenland Road, Jacksonville. Solid green, waiting for this northbound. It's usually an equipment relocation, meaning most of the equipment coming back from South Florida is empty because Florida is a consumer state. Stay tuned. Okay, here I am again. I see that northbound train in the binocs. Yeah, there go the gates. This is Greenland Road, Jacksonville, Florida. Florida East Coast Railway, northbound train on a Tuesday morning. Beautiful morning. The weather seems to have broken. 75 degrees, low humidity. I stood over here in the shade to get a better view, but this guy decides to pull right up to the line. Alright. Oh, it's a Manifest train. What do I know? I don't know the train schedule anymore. Certainly not the northbound. I know the southbound. 10 a.m. cut off, 3 p.m. cut off, used to be 4. Catch those. These Manifest trains sometimes run. They're not scheduled. Although, look, yeah, this is the Tropicana. Tropicana has 2 trains out of Florida, one here and one on the CSX, of course, over on the west coast. Yeah, here's the intermodal. And some empty intermodal car, maybe a spine car. Yeah, these are all stacked neatly in order, empty for being to Norfolk Southern or CSX. Big long mix train. Here comes some auto racks after those tankers. I'm going to shut up. A lot of empty intermodal cars this morning. Here comes another block. See how they thought they were so neat. They put all the Swifts together, the JB Hunts together, the hub groups together. Because these blocks will be interlined to the other railroads here in Jacksonville, Norfolk Southern and CSX. And there you go.